Hi guys, just last week Oracle announced a new Apex cloud service and I thought it would be a good idea to just do a quick run-up of what's in it. Oracle Apex Cloud Service is a standalone service on OCI. It starts at $360 per month per one OCPU and 1 terabyte of data, which can support more than 500 active users using multiple applications. The service can elastically scale to support larger workloads when needed. So let's take a look how it all works in practice. So I'm here in a cloud tenancy which already supports Apex Cloud Service, and I went to the Apex Application Development Cloud Service in the menu. Actually, let me show you. You will see it in the database related services, Apex Application Development, and here you can create and manage your Apex Cloud Service instances. So let's just go ahead and create a new Apex Cloud Service. Here are the configuration options that I have. I'm going to create it in my own compartment. I'm going to call it Apex Demo and I'm going to call database the same. Then currently the version that I can select is just 19C, and I can specify how many OCPUs and how much storage I want for my instance. I can decide to support auto scaling, which means that the number of CPUs can go up to 3 times as much as you have selected here. So in my case that would be up to 3 CPUs. And then I need to provide an admin password and select from where I want my instance to be available. So in case I want it to be available from the internet, I can just allow secure access from everywhere, in which case I can also configure access control rules. So let's just go ahead and create the instance using these parameters. Provisioning really didn't take a lot of time. Actually, it only took a couple of minutes, which is a great, enormous value add compared to traditional Apex instances setup where you need to perhaps first install the database, configure the database, and so on. I mean, this is really a blast. Now let's look at what options we have here. We can either decide to launch Apex instance or launch Secure Developer Web. Let's start by logging into our Apex environment. The first thing I have to do is I need to log in into my administration service. So let me sign in as administrator. And here as an admin, I can manage my instance or I can manage workspaces. But right now, I'm not so much interested in managing the instance. I really want to start creating my application. So I'm just going to create a workspace. So let me create a workspace for myself. After creating this first workspace as an admin, I'm still in the admin user interface. So I need to actually sign into my workspace to begin building applications. So let's do that. And here I am in my Apex workspace, ready to start building low-code Apex applications. I honestly believe that Oracle Apex Cloud Service is a great value for all enterprises who want to deploy low-code enterprise applications. It will provide agile, short time to market platform where you can really continuously innovate and support your business processes. Let me know if you would like me to address any questions or cover some additional topics through a question on the social network where you found this video, and have a great day.